Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Copy.ai login issues, account and credit errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Copy.ai, follow these steps to resolve them. First, make sure you are using the correct email and password combination. Check for any typos in your login credentials. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Once you've reset your password, attempt to log in again. If the issue persists, clear your browser cache and cookies. Reload the Copy.ai login page and enter your credentials once more. Another common issue may be related to your internet connection. Ensure you are connected to a stable internet network. If you still cannot log in, try using a different web browser. Sometimes, browser extensions can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any browser extensions to see if it makes a difference. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it and attempt to log in again. For users experiencing credit errors, verify your account status. Check if you have any active subscription plans that might affect your credits. Sometimes, a simple refresh of the web page can resolve minor errors. If any discrepancies in your credits are detected, contact Copy.ai support. Provide them with details of the issue for a quicker resolution. Lastly, ensure your browser is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Following these steps should help you resolve any login issues with Copy.ai. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.